Welcome back to Partick Hill Station. I'm Charlie. So this is a warning for everybody that has a model railway. Yesterday I was here working on cleaning and servicing my locos, just going through one after the other and giving them a good oiling. So I've got many of them running quite smoothly. But as I was doing that, I smelled something burning, and I looked around and I couldn't see anything. And then I had that smell of plastic burning. And so as I turned around, I looked over here, and if you recall, I had a point in there, and it was smoking and it was glowing red. So I quickly turned to this controller, and it was hot, so I put it off, and this one died down. But I was just thinking, if I'd have left the room, who knows what would have happened. And here is the damage. As you can see, it burnt right through there, and there's the piece of wire that probably ignited it. But when you look over the other side, you can see where it had melted through, and I turned the power on. That one just lit up, and it did that damage pretty bad. So just be very careful. If something breaks in a point, take it out immediately and fix it. I mean, it should look like that. Or let me see, it should look like so. And I'm not sure, really not sure how it got like that. But that's pretty dangerous. Now, I do have a fire extinguisher in the corner there. I should probably have it in a better location. I know some of you do have, but please be aware, when you're doing maintenance, maybe turn all the power off, because you're not watching what's going on. If you've got your head in a motor and try to figure something out. And equally as important, if you leave the room, turn the power off, just for safety. So just remember that, guys. Be safe, practice good safety habits, and hopefully that'll never happen to you. Bye for now from Partick Hill Station. See you next time.